In this video, I'll show you how you can find free items in Roblox. First, you want to head over to roblox.com, and from in here, you want to press on the marketplace. Now from in here, on the left-hand side, you will see there's some filters. So what we can do is we want to select the filter, the clothing kind of we want. Let's say we want to do clothing. We're going to select all clothing. And from down here, you want to go to creator, press on this and type in Roblox. Then what you want to do is come here and press price low to high. If you do this, it will show you the lowest cost items at the top from Roblox, and the Roblox have made a lot of free items. So as you can see here, I can see all of these items that are for free, and you can simply buy them with no cost at all. So that's basically how you can do it on Roblox, guys. Now, I really hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please leave a like and subscribe as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.